Here I have HUAWEI P20 Lite, and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot and Rescue Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and now we have to prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC. And now let's start holding the volume down right here. Keep holding volume down, and while holding the volume down, connect your device by using the USB-C cable. Keep holding volume down, now you can release it. As you can see right now, the device is in the Fastboot and Rescue mode, so you can use this mode right here. You can connect your device with your PC and use the Hisuite. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's press power key. Let me show you. Keep holding power key for a long time. Keep holding power button. Now the device is restarting, so you can release power key. You can also disconnect your device from your USB-C cable, and the device is restarting and rebooting. So let's wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. And that's it, the phone is in a normal mode. Now you can use your smartphone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.